Hey guys, Pranav here. So a few weeks ago, I made a post about Languify, which is an AI-powered language editor, right? So let me recap that really quickly. So you're given a generated sentence. You're going to type in your own sentence, and I already have one typed in just for the sake of time. And then I will click this AI generate button. And what that does is that's going to edit my sentence. So it might take a second, but there you go. It's going to edit my sentence. It's going to give me phrase corrections and skills I need to work on, all of that. So on the right, you can see I have phrase corrections, a quick explanation on what the correct phrase is. I can always hover over each phrase, and that'll kind of show me like what the right phrase should be. And then it'll give me skills to work on here. And I can reset. And if I wanted to add my own custom sentence, I can do that here. I can type in my own sentence to grade. But what I wanted to talk about today was this new feature I added called reading comprehension. I've noticed that, typing sentences, understanding sentence structure is only half the battle, right? You need to also learn how to read, how to kind of pick up stuff by reading languages if you want to learn. So I added a reading comprehension part of Languify. So currently we only have Spanish, but we're gonna add in, I think French, like Italian, all of that next. All right, but here's kind of how a page would look. So we have kind of Spanish passages, a quick blurb, some facts, and then here on the bottom we have the actual passages. So we have beginner passages, which are more my level. We have medium passages, which are a little bit harder, and we have harder passages, which are decently complex. And this is from a student perspective, so a native Spanish speaker would not find the hard passages hard. This is just for students that are learning. So let's go ahead and click on one of these medium passages. All right, and here is the UI of each passage, right? So I have breadcrumbs at the top, so I can jump to any part I need to. But first of all, we have the title of the passage, right? El Misterio de Biblioteca Antigua, and then we have the actual passage, which you can read. And then at the bottom, which I really, really like, is key vocab. So you have, key vocab throughout the passage, and when you hover over it, you can see the translation. So if you're stuck on a word, I guess throughout the passage, and it's in the key vocab, and you don't know what it is, you can always hover over it and see a quick translation. All right, and on the right, just like every reading comprehension website, we have some questions, right? So I'm just gonna guess. I haven't read this passage, so I'll just be guessing. But yeah, when you click, it'll tell you if it's right or wrong, and you can go and practice like that. So there are websites that are similar to this. I think what really differentiates Languify is that the UI is just super clean. Most reading comprehension websites look like they came out of 1995. So I feel like this UI is decently clean, user friendly as well. Yeah, and I'm planning to add some AI-based features. So an AI will ask you questions about the text. You will have to type in an answer, and it'll grade your answer as if like you're taking a real Spanish test. People that are doing AP Spanish, IB Spanish, this would be really helpful for them. And then at the bottom, you can move on to the next passage. Currently, there's only 3 medium passages, but I'm planning to release with about 20 in each section. So yeah, that's a super quick demo of Languify. I'll have a live link coming out in about a week's time. There's still a lot of bugs I have to fix, but yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any suggestions, questions, comments, you can message me. You can leave a comment on wherever this video is going. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.